Hello friends, this is a quick video on how you can sign up on Twitter. So if you haven't downloaded Twitter yet, please download it from the Play Store. I have already downloaded Twitter, so I'll just open the app here. There is another video on how you can sign up on Twitter using your Gmail address, but I'm gonna show you how you can create or sign up on Twitter without using your Gmail address. So I'll just tap in create account here, and the next thing that I'm going to do is add in my name, my phone number, and my date of birth. Select your birth date by scrolling up and down on your screen after you tap in on your birth date. After you finish filling up the spaces, tap in on next, and tap in on next once again, and tap in on sign up. So it says that I'll get a text on my phone number with a verification code. Tap in on OK. So I'll just wait a while for the SMS to arrive. So as you guys can see, the message has arrived and the code has already been typed in. So all you have to do now is tap in on next. Select the password, make sure it is strong, and tap in on next. You can always skip this part so that you can come back again and upload your profile picture. So I'll just skip for now. I'm not gonna add anything to my bio just now, so I'll just tap in on skip for now. But if you want to describe yourself or add something in your bio, you can type in. So I'll just tap in skip for now. So I don't want to sync my contacts just yet, so I'll just tap in not now. So here's a list of things that you might be interested in. If you're interested in anything that you see here, you can just click on there. And if you don't find anything of your interest, you can just type in. And after you finish tapping in on your interest, you just tap in on next. Here are a few recommendations for me to follow by Twitter, but I'm not gonna follow them just yet, so I'll just tap in on next. But if you happen to like any of them, you can follow them. So your Twitter account has been created. Make sure you remember your password, and such as this magnifying glass as you see here. So these are a few trendings here and few suggestions from Twitter. But if you like to follow someone who is using the Twitter, you can just type in their names and follow them. And if you'd like to know how to use Twitter basics, please watch our another video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful.